All right. It's Raj. What's going on, man? Let's take a look at this oil and what will oil prices be tomorrow. What is going on with crude oil today? I'll be back on the laptop and let's check it out. So look, we got some major resistance right here, right? Bounce right off of that resistance. You should have put in a sell order if you're selling. Remember, look, the overall trend. Let's take a look at this. The overall trend for oil is up. Remember, you could have got in down here if you was ready, right? Maybe you made millions. Maybe you're already a millionaire. But if you missed it, it's okay. You're catching it late. It's all good. Oil will still continue to go up into the 50s. All right, it's going to be $50 a barrel again. America's starting to open back up. Different states are opening. Florida wide open. The beaches are open. UPS is starting to deliver. More people are going to start doing airplane rides and everything. So the demand for oil is just going to keep rising. All right. So right now we're looking at the hourly chart. And we doing good. Remember, this is before this was prior. Let me see. Let me go back here. Looked like it was resistant. Yeah, a little resistance right here. Busted through this resistance. Right. Turned it to support a little bit. All right. So right now we're looking at support right here. All right. This is what we're looking at. So it's going to play around in this area right here. I'm still looking for a move. Now listen, we buy at the support, sell at resistance. Now, what we're looking for is this. We are looking for, let me see if I can copy this. Oops, if I can clone this little guy right here. We are looking for it to break this barrier, right? Once it breaks this one, let's make this a different color so we know what we're doing. Right? Powerful buy signal. Right? Once it breaks this, if it breaks this, it's going to shoot up like it did again. Boom, boom. Right? And we can open it up. We can take a step back, open it up and see what's going on. Right? Look to the left, see what's going on to the left. See, this was kind of a crisis, man. It's kind of hard to see back there, man. So you might got to open it way back, right, to the weekly chart. Now, things will change. Oops. Right. A little long. Let me refresh this real quick. Now, things is going to change. Oil is heavily due to the economy. Let's look at the daily. I don't know why it's acting up on my weekly chart. See, we're inching up to get back to where we used to be. I think it's going to float around 40. Right. Nice little support resistance line right here. Let me see something. Right. We work heavily off of support and resistance. Right. You might call them pivots. Call them whatever you want, man. You can make up your own name for it. The daily is the moving averages. We're still under the moving averages, but there's no way that this downtrend is going to continue. Right? This downtrend was solely due, especially due to the corona. Right? Big news started happening right here at the beginning of the year. Corona started scaring people. Really didn't really start having, like when it got real scary right here. When it locked everything down, nobody could drive. That's when it got ridiculous, right? But we was still sitting nice. We was on our way back up until, it started to get weird. They started to lock stuff down. School started to go down. All right. So let's look at the 4 hour. So now we're trending up a little bit. We just busted past this. Now we're going to come back down, right? Support. It's going to turn into resistance. Excuse me. This is a little bit of resistance. Boom. Broke through resistance. It's going to come back. It's going to test that support. Right now it's testing the trend line. Once it get a little bounce, it's out of there. It's out of there. All right. For the hourly chart, I think we got a little double top. All right. Come back down. Tested the trend line. See how I tested the trend line? All right. We came from the bottom. Test trend line. Test trend line. Test trend line. It's going to test that resistance. Boom. Boom. And then we're going to rally. So stay in it. This is a long play. It's going to be some ups and downs, right? But if you want to keep flip-flopping, sell at resistance, buy at support. But see how long you can stay in this trade for. I mean, see if you can stay in it for a week, right? Make sure you measure, have your stops pulled back enough to where give the trade room to breathe, because it's gonna get ridiculous, right? Let me see something. All right, cool. It's gonna get a little ridiculous. All right, and that's to be expected, right? It's supposed to get ridiculous. Okay. Oh yeah, we did that. Looking at that. Boop bop. All right, I'm just looking at something else right now. It's gonna get ridiculous. So listen, don't keep trading it. Don't keep pushing the buttons. Don't keep checking your trade. Get in the trade, right? Get in it for the long. Get in, right? Right now is a good time to get it because it's at the bottom of the pullback, and we're going to start seeing it go back up, right? Just like what we talked about yesterday, right? This is going to it's going to fluctuate, man, because people are scared. It's a lot of uncertainty. But listen, the economy is coming back. By May 8th, by June, we're going to see an almost normal economy again. All right. We're going to see an almost normal economy. All right. So stay focused, stay patient. All right. This ain't nothing to be scalping. You don't want to be scalping this and trying to. This is a long ride. You're going to get banged up. You're going to get beat up. It's going to get crazy for you. Right. But you're going to come out on top. Okay, you will come out on top. All right, I see you focus. Yes. Excuse me. Stay focused, and I definitely see you at the top.